Hi, I'm Justuni D. Alicado from BS-EMT2A. I'll share my knowledge about differential calculus using basic rules of derivatives. Okay, these are the topics. Basic rules of derivatives. Topic 1. Topic 1. Topic 1 is all about derivative of a constant. Derivative of constant. What is derivative of a constant? Definition. The definition is if the function does not change, its derivative is 0. Here's the formula. D over dx equals k is 0. If once na imong derivative is not change is equals to 0. Okay, I'll give an example. Example. F of x equals 7. F of x equals 7. Ang gingon is if the function does not change, its derivative is 0. Okay. 7 is dili na ma-change. Unang equal siya sa f of x equals 0. That's our first basic topic in derivative of a constant. Okay, second, another example is all about f of x equals like 100. If the function does not change, its derivative is 0. Same ragyapon. F of x equals 0. Always not siya 0. Okay. The topic 2 is all about derivative of x. What is derivative of x? Definition. The derivative of x is always 1. It means ang x is always na siya 1 or mag-imaginary 1 ka. Bisan unsa nga letter is always imaginary 1 or is always 1. Okay? Here's the formula. Formula. D over dx equals x equals 1. Okay. I'll take another example. F of x equal f of x is equal to x. Ang gingon ganina is ang x is always 1. So we basic f of x is equal to 1. Okay. Okay. These are the topic 3. Topic 3 is all about derivatives of constant times x. Okay? Constant means dili mailisan or dili na siya mabago. Dili na nimo kailangan siya lihukon. Then times x. X is always 1. Okay? Formula. These are the formula. D over dx times k constant times x equals k. Ano yung pasabi sa formula? K is constant times x equals 1 is equals to constant. Kaya dili na siya ma-ilisan. Constant naman. Kaya magatag ko og example. Example. F of x equal to 5x. Okay, on the 5x. Ang gingon kanina is, if you multiply x by a constant, the derivative is just a constant. Ang answer is constant. Okay, muni ang x, muni ang constant. Ang 5 is constant, then x is imaginary 1. Nya kay ang topic diri is derivative of constant times x man. Ang giingon is constant. If you multiply x by constant, the derivative is just a constant. The answer is 5. 5 ra yung answer. Understand? Another example. F of x equals 12x. Okay. Same na siya sa first example nako. 5x equals to 5. Constant times x equals constant. 12 times x equals 12. Okay? May constant man siya. Then, topic 4 or the last topic. The topic 4 is all about power rule definition. For powers of x, bring down the exponent and subtract 1. Sabot, the powers of x, bring down nimo ang exponent kay imong minusan sa 1. Then, I'll make an first example. F of x equals x squared. Answer. Unsang yang derivative sa x of x squared? Ang yang derivative is 2x. Dili siya x squared yapon. 2x ang yang derivative. Kung x plus x equals x squared, ang derivatives mo natin yung pangita is equals to 2x. I'll make another example. Example niya siya number 1. Example number 2 is f of x equals x cubed. Okay, anong x cube? Dili siya mahimo nga 3x. Atong buhaton is mahimo siya nga 3x cube. Okay, ay 3x squared. 3x squared. Nganong na 3x squared man siya? Dili man siya pada aning isa nga y. Y man siya na ingana. Tungod kay ang exponent is n. N is 3. Exponent n is 3. Iba mo ni siya ang exponent. Tapos ang atong button is ang giingon mo diri is the power of x is bring down the exponent and subtract 1. That's why f of x 3 ang exponent times x cube is equals to 3x. Minus 1 man siya, ay minus 1. Ang giingon, exponent and subtract 1. Minus 1. Maunang 3 times x equals 3x. 3 minus 2 equals 2. Ay 3 minus 1 equals 2. That's why 3x squared. Okay, that's all. these are the basic rules of derivatives. Thank you.